Welcome back to the mountain, folks. It's Christmas Eve. We're having a lovely day up here on the mountain. I spent most of the afternoon cleaning out chicken coops, duck coops, and the goat barn. I didn't film any of that. And I wasn't going to film much today. And then we had a little incident with the tractor. The tire came off the rim. It got low on air and it came off the rim. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that, how to put the tire back on the rim. Something that my dad taught me years and years ago on how to do this. It's pretty easy to do, and I'll give you a show. So here we go. Okay, first thing you got to do is we got to get this off the ground. Now, as you can see, the tire is off the rim here. There's the bead. It's off it completely. Other side too, you can see it's off. So what we got to do, we got to lift this up. Now, we don't have to use a jack because we have down pressure with the tractor. So let's fire this up and we'll lift the front end up. Alright, so all we got to do, we just push the lever and it pushes the bucket down and raises the front end. So now my tire's off the ground. I can do it a little more just by tilting the bucket. Now we got plenty of room. I had put a board under the bucket so it's not hard pavement. I did have a bar in the bucket I forgot about, so we'll put that in the garage. Alright, so as you can see, we got plenty of room now between the wheel and the ground. So what I do now is I take a ratchet strap and I wrap it around the tire, cinch it up, and that'll push the tire in on the bead, and then I can put air in it. So let's do that now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and wrap the ratchet strap around the tire and cinch it up to put it back on the bead. It just holds the tire there so you can put air in it. Now, I haven't even tried this without putting the strap on because most of the time it doesn't work and you got to put the strap on anyway. So let's go ahead and put this strap around the tire. So there we go. The strap is on. Now we'll just cinch it up. Get it on the center of the tire. Okay, there we go. Now I'll cinch her up. So what that's doing is it's pushing down on the tire so that, as you can see, it's kind of sealing the bead now. So now all we got to do is get our air out here and fill that up, and it'll pop right in. Okay, so I have my compressor. I have a compressor in the garage, and I just keep a hose on a reel on the wall. So we're going to go ahead and air this up. Now, luckily, I was already on the way to the garage when it popped off. The tire was low, and I thought I had a little more time, but I didn't. So here we go. You'll hear the bead pop when it comes on. Oh, there's a compressor. I don't hear any air leaking out anywhere, so we're going to keep doing this. And I'm watching the tire to see if it's coming off along the bead. I can see the tire moving here. A little more. You do feel some air coming out here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a mallet and just kind of tap that. I'll just kind of tap it here, try to get that bead back on. Should pop on. I actually don't feel any more air coming out there. saw some air leaking out around the bead, so I just kind of hit it so whatever gunk is in there can come out. So now we can take the strap off since we're sealed. So now our strap is off. Go ahead and fill her up with air now. That's all there is to it. So we now have our wheel back on. Our wheel is back on. The tire is back on the rim. It's got plenty of air in it. Now we can drop her back down. And you can see she's holding air just fine. I'll start the tractor and lift the bucket and you'll see. There. So now she's got plenty of air in her. We're back on the rim like we should be. And that's all there is to it. So if you have a tire, it comes off the rim. This does not have a tube, so I did have to seal it back on the rim. You can use your trusty old ratchet strap, put it around the wheel, and you're good to go. It'll put it right back on. So that one's all set. Once again, this was something that my father taught me how to do years and years ago. So we got that done. It's back on. We're ready to go. So that's about it, folks, from today. A short video. I know it's been a while. We're trying to get back into doing more videos. It's wintertime. It's dark early. We have normal day jobs that we have to do, and then we do the homestead thing when we get home. So that's about it. So once again, God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and everyone have a Merry Christmas.